Hi everyone! If you are new to this channel, I am Shani, a virtual assistant who worked with 200 plus UK, Australia, and US clients since 2010. In this video, I will teach you how to create your UpWork profile. If you are an entrepreneur who is looking for a virtual assistant, please don't hesitate to contact me via email. For new video tutorials, please consider subscribing. Any questions, please comment down below. Let's start! I am currently showing you my UpWork profile. We will use this as a guide in just a few seconds. First, we need to go to www.upwork.com, hit sign up, then we need to fill out the fields, first name, last name, and email address. I will still stick in using my Gmail account, so click it twice. Let us create a password, tick work as a freelancer, generate username, enter the letters accurately for verification purposes. I am skipping the marketing emails for now. Click terms of service and click create my account. Please check your email account. Open the verify your email address and click verify email. Let's start with what is the main service you offer to clients. Ask yourself, what is your specialization? What is your special skill? Are you good at writing? Choose writing. Do you know how to create softwares? Pick web, mobile, and software development. Mine is admin support because I am passionate in providing admin assistance to business owners. Under the main service, I chose admin support. Therefore, I need to provide the correct subcategories to identify my skill sets in detail, which are the following: transcription, personal assistant, project management, and data entry. Next is, what skills do you offer to clients? Assess yourself, list your top 3 to 10 skills, search it in the box and click the appropriate tags. I picked data entry, creative writing, internet research, research papers, copy editing, and Microsoft Word. Followed by, what is your experience level in the chosen service? Please be honest because the client will know if you are telling the truth or not. Trust is very important in creating long-lasting relationships virtually. Let's hit save and continue. In our next process, we have the photo. How do you normally apply in an office-based job? Of course, you need to have a professional look or attire because it gives an impression that you are capable of doing the job. In UpWork, it works the same way. Make sure to have a professional portrait. We have add a professional title, also known as headline or the main service. My format is position plus description or vice versa. Then we have write a professional review. This should have your strengths, weaknesses, projects, accomplishments, and education. My format is goals plus detailed skills or strengths. You can also add metrics. For example, I was able to get 10 successful sales daily in my job to highlight your best attainment. Let us set your hourly rate. You'll receive, it is the amount you'll get after UpWork service. For example, you choose $3 per hour. 20% of $3 is 75 centavos. So, your service fee plus UpWork service is $3.75 equals to client's hourly payment. So, once you reach over $500, then the fee is 10%. Let us add education, school name, dates attended, degree, area of study, and description. I strongly suggest to put description because your education can help you qualify in the job you are applying for. Click save and add more if you have other additions, or hit save if you're done. Another addition is employment. It refers to your current and previous work experiences. Add the company name, location, position or title, role, period. If it is your present job, then tick I currently work here. And please don't forget to put description because it will highlight your strengths or achievements for that specific job. Click Save and add more if you have other additions, or hit Save if you're done. What is your English proficiency level? You need to be blunt here because the client can tell if you can understand them or not. I am choosing conversational. I write and speak this language well. Add your location. Don't worry, your address is secure with UpWork. The client will only see the city and country you are in. After that, please click Review Application. Click Submit Application. UpWork will get back to you within 24 hours if you are approved, and you can start applying right away. Yay! You complete the first step. Please stay tuned for my next video about how to create proposals and apply for jobs on Upwork. I appreciate your time, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. For new videos, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell to receive updates. For job offer opportunities, please don't hesitate to contact me via email. If you have any questions or topic suggestions, please comment down below.